What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. It has been a while since I've uploaded a video, but this one is going to be pretty cool. It's unboxings and some of the things that I've accumulated in the past few months. So stick around. This is going to be a good one because I have some rare pieces that are hard to find, and when they show up, you have to get them. So let's get to it. Alright, so here's the first box. So this one is actually one of the rare pieces. If you don't get this when it comes available, then it probably won't become available anytime soon. So this one is for the first gen, and this is the clear fuel door. This one popped up on one of the forums. A gentleman had sold his Torch Penny first gen scionxb, and he had two of these that were available. So I snatched one of them up. So it comes with the fuel door, clear fuel door, pretty good condition. There's a little bit of scuffs here and there, but again, these are old pieces. So you have that, and then you have the gas cap that goes with the fuel door. So that's what it will look like, just like that. So as you can see, we haven't put it on yet, so that would be in the future video of installing the clear fuel door. So we got that. So another thing that I got was for the second gen. So this one popped up on Marketplace. It's the TRD strut bar that goes in the engine bay. Really good condition. Again, as old as these things are, there's a couple of scuffs here and there, but really good condition, and got it for a really good price. Whenever these items become available, you don't want to miss out on them. So there you go. This will be put on the second gen, as you can see back here. TRD strut bar. Alright, so now this I am really excited about this. This popped up. I had been looking for it for, I don't know, a few, and it's really rare. If this pops up, grab it. These are discontinued. I've actually talked to the owner of that used to make these, and he doesn't make them anymore. He doesn't have any plans of making them anymore. And when I saw this, I snatched it up immediately. So we're gonna do an unboxing. This is something that's rare on the second gen, so let's open it up. Again, I just got it yesterday, and I haven't even opened it. So it's been sitting overnight, and I've been excited to open it, and hopefully everything is in great condition, which the seller said that it was, and you know, you have to give them benefit of the doubt. And every package that I've gotten so far from anything that I've bought has been in good condition. So let's open it up. So this one, you don't have to be so careful in opening up like some of the other packages that I've gotten. Like the Kazariya speakers, you don't want to you know, accidentally poke a hole in the speaker. So they did pretty good in packaging this up, which is great. And the seller did tell me that they had to do a little bit of extra on packaging. Wasn't gonna move. Awesome job. Again, this was found in the States, so it wasn't anything from overseas. What do you think that is? So this is where we'll be a little bit more careful. All right, you know what? Let's fast forward. There you go. Look at that. Wow. This is the Dare to Be Different Gangster 3-piece mid-wing to go on the second gen. These are very rare to find. They're discontinued. They've been discontinued for years. If you ever find one of these, grab it. It's probably going to cost you a good penny, but that's only because it is rare to find. So again, you have the 3-piece. This goes on the back of the hatch, and then this goes on the sides, on the back quarter panels. So let's move over to the car, and I can show you what it looks like. I'm not going to mount it today, but this will be in the future of mounting. And again, this makes the car just pop on the exterior just because of what it is. So let's go take a look. All right, so here we go. So this is just going to be a mock-up. So this mid-wing goes about right here. Yeah, you probably have to drill some holes, make sure that that it's screwed in so it doesn't come off. But this is where it goes, and I mean, it just makes a big difference. You can look up the pictures. Again, this is the Dare to Be Different mid-wing, 3-piece mid-wing. So this would go here, and then if we move over here to the side, so you have the mid-wing here, and then you have this piece goes here, just like that. So again, these were specially made for the second gen XBs. But yeah, it makes it pop. It's a little different. I'll probably keep it the same color, black. But I'm really excited about this. This is gonna look really good on the second gen. All right, so there you have it. We have the 3-piece mid-wing for the Scion XB second gen. We have the clear fuel door and the gas cap for the first gen Scion XB. We have the red TRD strut bar for the second gen Scion XB. And I also got the TRD air intake, which is already installed, but that's going to be a video that I'll put up later. And I can give you all the part numbers for that instead of buying it in a bundle. So if you buy it in a bundle, it's over $400. But if you buy it piece by piece of the intake, you can get it for half the price. Plus the TRD air filter is no longer made, and I can give you that as well. So I actually have it installed already, and I did that back in August, but I haven't put the video up. Just things got in the way, you know, life and work and whatever else. But that video is coming up, all the part numbers to get that half price and a filter that fits. I'll put that up as well in the near future. We will install this wing in the future as well, and the clear fuel door for the first gen Scion XB. So hope you liked it. We're back. We're gonna start getting things ramped up. As you can see, I do have the bumpers ready. I have to put the body kit on there. That's the front bumper. That's the body kit for the back bumper, which is already installed. I have an extra one of the kit for the back, and then we have to add the lights. Again, this is going to be different. Some of you are going to like it, some of you are not going to like it, but we're adding lights to the front, which is not something that the release series had when it first came out. So stay tuned. We're going to get it all set up. I hope you like it. If you don't, you know, that's just the way it is. Everybody has their own taste. There's some XBs that I see out there, and I just wonder, like, why? But you know what? That's your taste. That's your style, and I respect that. And we have to respect everybody's build no matter what. And if you don't like it, just don't say anything. If you like it, then like it. But again, respect everybody's build. I hope you're excited as I am to get all these parts. Again, I have a whole bunch of parts that have accumulated in the past year and months. And so we'll get back to it and get started again. So like, comment, share, subscribe on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.